Mia Fabulous would like to do some super duper tricks for us today. Mia, would you like to begin? Okay. Mia, shake. Good girl. Hey, don't leave. This is a video. You gotta represent. Mia, lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Stay. Stay. Good girl. Mia, sit. Nope, sit. Sit. Mia, say woof. Good girl. Good girl. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. I know. I didn't say woof. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down, Mia. Oh, come on. Lay down. Good girl. That's a good girl. Sit. 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 Oh, sit. Sit. Shake. Good girl. Say woof. Woof. Sit. Sit. Stay. Stay. Good girl. Hey. What you got to say? What you got to say? Is that all? Huh? Mia, can I kiss? Can I kiss? Kiss. Okay, one more treat. Sit. Say woof. That's her favorite trick. We like saying woof. We like saying woof. Woof, 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 woof. Woof, 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 woof. Crazy dog. Crazy dog. Mia, your nose is running. You better go wipe your nose. Oh my Lord. Okay. Say bye. Say bye.